Let me ask you a question. Do you know what emojis are? I'm not talking about the little smiley faces, but rather the big animated icons that people use in messaging apps and on social media. Did you know that you can make money by simply clicking on these emojis? That's right. Every day, there are opportunities to earn an extra $100 to $300 just by clicking on some stickers. And it's not just pocket change either. One emoji could net you up to $2. So if you're looking for a way to make some easy cash, this is definitely worth checking out. The more emojis you use, the more money you make. You'll make $20 for clicking 10 emoji stickers and $100 for clicking 50 emojis. This may be done as many times as you like. All you need is your smartphone or computer, and it's possible to do it for free. So I'll show you how to set up and use your account right away with a variety of real-world examples. Welcome to the Make Money Online channel. In this video, I'll show you how to earn an extra $400 by using flaticon.com. This website is a great resource for finding icons and other graphics that you can use for your own projects. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. So you'll know exactly how to do it, and I'll give you a lot of extra hints throughout the video on how to do it correctly and earn an extra $400. First and foremost, visit the website flaticon.com. This is a site where you may get compensated for clicking on emojis. The homepage, as you can see, provides a free access to over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis. When I go down below, you can see all the symbols as well as the photos and images that you may get for free right here on this page. I'll show you how to utilize them to create a lot of money online in a moment. You may make money in two ways by clicking on the emojis right now. Then, I'll teach you how to do it using the second method. After watching this video, to become a contributor using the first method, click on the Become a Contributor link at the top of the page. You'll be redirected to Flaticon, where you can sign up for a free account and begin sharing your best icon packs with other members of the community. Contributors are handsomely paid for their efforts, so that these 3 simple steps to take towards becoming financially independent by doing something you love: making attractive icons. Our favorite part is that you can get paid and start making money online right away. Here's how it works. Flaticon is a popular website with over 12 million monthly visitors and 7 million registered members. Many people go to this site in search of distinct emojis, clip art, icons, and photos, which can result in a lot of traffic and exposure for emojis. You'll be paid for each view and click now because many people visit the website looking for different emojis. The first thing I'd want you to do is click this button here to join right now. From there, you'll be sent to this website where you may establish a free account. Simply enter your username, email address, and password on this website. Then select the register button from there. We'll proceed to this page where it says we're almost done. Simply check your email inbox to confirm that your account has been activated and verified. They'll issue you their license right here after you activated your account, which will send you to this page. Make sure you go through all the conditions and terms before clicking the green button to accept them. As you may see, after you've completed step 1, which is reading and agreeing to the terms and conditions, you'll be able to proceed to step 2, which is creating your profile so that you may start earning money. To start, add profile images by clicking the browse icon to the right. Then, scroll down and fill out more information about yourself. You can create a public username for others to see. To select your country of origin from the drop-down menu, simply click on the arrow in the Country section. If you don't want to fill that out, that's fine. If you don't have one, choose English for the language and connect any social media account. But If you don't have any other social media profiles, just leave it blank and hit the next button. Now we're getting closer to being able to upload emojis in order to get more clicks and make some money. So before you do that, we think it would be a good idea if you read a creator's handbook. Clicking this button will take you to a page where we may read further how-tos, receive more information, and get more instructions on how to begin making money on this website. You may just go ahead and do it, but in this video, I'll show you how to do it quickly for the time being. Finally, clicking the Start Uploading button will bring you to your own dashboard, which is housed within your Fresh account. The dashboard link leads you to the personal page where username is now located at the top. Check how many emojis and icon packs have been uploaded as well as daily earnings. We're trying to obtain a large number of free emojis that we can then publish on our website and earn revenue from them. So right now, I want you to return to the flaticon.com homepage and scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Click on this link, which is a pattern generator. From there, you'll be directed to this page where you may download Flaticon's free software, which allows you to make various designs and patterns using various emojis by clicking on this button that says, "Try it now." The Flaticon Pattern Generator software's homepage is easily accessed and can be used for free on any computer or mobile phone. You may continue to step 1, which is looking for and finding your preferred icon or emojis right now under the icon region. You may just click on it and it will appear on your dashboard, as demonstrated here. You can simply drag and drop it to wherever you want it, as well as change its size and rotate it. As you can see, there are many different icons and designs to choose from, along with a variety of unique images that you can use in your design. What I'd like to do right now is return to emojis and simply select them, where you may choose from a range of emojis. Simply repeat the process as shown above, and then click under this icon in the background. From your public design, you have the option of selecting from a variety of background colors. For example, if you enjoy a pink design, all you have to do is click on it and it will appear on your canvas. It's really easy and doesn't require any technical expertise or knowledge after you've finished editing, so you can save it to your phone or computer for free. All you have to do is hit this button here that says Download. Now, once you've decided on the PNG format, follow the instructions in this video for the power size. Select 1000, and for the image sizes, select 4000 and 2000. Once you've decided on the format, settings, and size, simply click this button to download the patterns. You can do this right away from your phone. Once it has downloaded successfully, feel free to click it again to open and preview the patterns. All you have to do after is upload it and start making money. So now, I want to share another bonus tip for you. Click the search button here and then click on the random patterns button here. Doing this will help generate some professional looking patterns automatically. If you wish to see the next set of random designs, just click on this button once again and it will automatically flip and show other random patterns. Some of them are quite appealing. For example, if I believe it's really gorgeous, I may save it and save it to my computer later so that I can view it again after I've completed creating my emojis and downloaded them to my phone or computer. Return to Flaticon contributor account page by clicking this button. Once you click on Upload, my icons will now appear. You can drag and drop your file into the designated space, which will send it to the website. I promise that I will teach a second method of making money online, so here it is, Fiverr.com. Fiverr offers plenty of unique job opportunities that won't find elsewhere, like graphical design or web developmental services. Writing, video, and animation are just a few ways to generate money online. However, when I click on this button here under the Art and Illustration category, I want you to focus on graphic design because it's a completely new area that other people are discussing. This pattern design is one example of a new field that other people are talking about. Clicking this link will take you to a one page where you can learn to how to design profitable patterns. There are many examples of people who have generated income from designing, and with this guide, you can too. Now that we know this is a largely untouched market with a few competing businesses, we can jump in and follow my strategy. For example, if one seller charges $25 for their product, take a look at the second seller who falls in the price range of $20 to $30. You'll notice that there are many people selling similar products at various price points in this category. So let's say we click on this particular seller. It takes us to their page where you can see they're charging anywhere from $50 to $35 for making different types of pattern designs as a service. With Flat Icons free software, we can achieve a lot of such producing various patterns and making money from it. For example, this person has made 377 sales and earned around $7,000. If you take a look at the patterns she's selling, you'll notice that they are all different. So diverse earnings are possible with this software. This is actually rather easy. Just change the background color of the icon and you'll see that there are a lot of people utilizing it right now. So by clicking on the link at the top, you may start generating money in your favor by becoming a seller. All you have to do now is click this button to begin filling out your email address and personal information so you can start selling on Fiverr. Take a look at some of my other videos, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. If you have any more queries, leave a remark below. I'll see you in the next video.